Morning students, now I am going to take science for you. So this is revision lesson number 3. The lesson name is plants of backyard. So first main odd words. First one creepers, creepers, creepers. Second one pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Third one flowers, flowers, flowers. Fourth one branches, branches, branches. Fifth one climbers, climbers, climbers. Sixth one support, support, support. Seventh one different, different, different. Eighth one coconut, coconut. Ninth one roofs, roofs. Tenth one jasmine, jasmine. 11th one branches, branches. 12th one leaves, leaves. Okay students, so these are the onwards of lesson number 3. So once again I am going to repeat. First one creepers, second one pumpkin, third one flowers, fourth one branches, fifth one climbers, sixth one support, seventh one different, eighth one coconut, ninth one roofs, 10th one jasmine, 11th one branches, 12th one leaves. Now second main, fill in the blanks. First one, small plants are called dash. So in the dash you must write herbs, herbs, herbs. Second one, the shape and sizes of the plants are dash. So in the dash you must write different, different, different. Third one, dash needs support to grow. So in the dash you must write creepers, creepers. Fourth one, the color of sunflower is dash. So in the dash you must write yellow, yellow. Fifth one, most of the leaves is green in color. So in the dash you must write green, green. So these are the fill in the blanks. Once again I am going to repeat. First one, small plants are called herbs. Second one, the shape and sizes of the plants are different. Third one, creepers need support to grow. Fourth one, the color of sunflower is yellow. Fifth one, most of the leaves is green in color. Now third main, write yes or no. First one, leaves are not green in color. So they given here leaves are not green, but leaves are green in color. So in the bracket you write no, no. Second one, the size of the plants are same. So the size of plants are different, but here they given it is same. So you write in the bracket no. Third one, creepers grow on land. So in the bracket you write yes. Fourth one, lotus is grown in water. So it will be growing in the water only. So in the bracket you write yes. So these are yes or no. Once again I am going to repeat. First one, leaves are not green in color, no. Second one, the size of the plants are same, no. Third one, creepers grow on land, yes. Fourth one, lotus is grown in water, yes. Now next main, match the following. So in the A side they are given first one the rose, second one leaf, third one pumpkin, fourth one mango, fifth one coconut. So in the B side they given green, second one fruit, third one tree, fourth one flower, fifth one plant. So you want to match them by drawing lines. So first one rose. So what it is? It is a flower. So in the B side, in the fourth line, flower is there. So for rose and flower, you put one line. Second one, leaf. So a leaf in which color it is? It is green in color, no? So in the B side, in the first line, green is there. So for leaf and green, you put one line. Third one, pumpkin. So pumpkin, it is a plant. So in the B side, in the fifth line, plant is there. So for pumpkin and plant, you put one line. Fourth one, mango. So it is a fruit. So in the B side, in the second line, fruit is there. So for mango and fruit, you put one line. Fifth one, coconut. So it is a tree. In the B side, in the third line, tree is there. So for coconut and tree, you put one line. Okay, children. Now I am going to read correct answer. Rose, flower. Leaf, green. Pumpkin, plant. Mango, fruit. Coconut, tree. Okay, children. Next, fifth main. Answer the following. Name the important parts of the plant. Answer, root. R-O-O-T, root. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. L-E-A-F, leaf. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. E-T-C, etc. Root, branch, trunk, leaf, flower, fruits, etc. So these are the important parts of the tree, plant. Okay, children. Still it is a, but I written that much only. Second one, what is the color of leaves? Answer, the color of leaves is green. TH the COLOUR, color. OF of LEAVES, leaves. IS is GREEN, green. The color of leaves is green. Third one, what are herbs? Answer, small plants are called herbs. SMALL, small. PLANTS, plants. ARERCALLED, called. HERBS, herbs. Small plants are called herbs. Next, fourth one, what are trees? Answer, big and tall plants are called trees. BIG, big. AND, and TALL, tall. PLANTS, plants. ARERCALLED, called. TREES, trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Next, fifth one, name any 5 trees. Answer, coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, guava tree. So these are the 5 trees. COCONUT, coconut. TREE, tree, coconut tree. MANGOTREE, mango tree. NEEMTREE, neem tree. BANYANTREE, banyan tree. GUAVA, guava T on in a tree. Coconut tree, mango tree, neem tree, banyan tree, guava tree. Okay, children. Next, sixth one. Name any 5 flowers. Answer: rose, lotus, lily, sunflower, hibiscus. R-O-S-E rose, L-O-T-U-S lotus, L-I-L-Y lily, S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R sunflower, H-I-B-I-S-C-U-S hibiscus. So these are the 5 flowers. Still so many flowers are there, but I have written only 5 flowers name. Rose, lotus, lily, sunflower, hibiscus. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? So I think you could understand this revision. So once again I am repeating that if you have already completed this classwork, you practice in a rough note. Otherwise, you see this video and complete the classwork neatly. Okay, children? Thank you.